guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, I thought since I've got this fret bender thing all figured out completely, I'm going to show you guys how to straighten frets out after you've bent them and maybe you need to re-straighten them for some reason. So we've got a basic setting here, and what we're going to do is we're going to bend this fret. You just go a little bit at a time. You turn the knob counterclockwise to put more of a bend in it. So you go to, say, about just before you're about to come off the bearing. Give it another little twist. So as you can see, our fret is definitely bent. And anybody's guess what the radius is, but who cares? Doesn't matter for this video. So if you want to straighten this back out, what you've got to do is you got to put it into the side here and go in between the bearings. So you're going to have to loosen this off and bring the height up until it can just go down in. I'll say about there. Try that. Start bringing it down some more. So now what we've done is we've put a bit of a back bend in it. So we got to straighten that out so while it's still in the same position. We're going to do that. And we still got a back bend in it, so it's actually too much. That's pretty straight. It's got just a little slight bit of a bend, but you can easily get the rest of that out. Still got just the slightest of a bend. No big deal though. So you can get it pretty much straight again, like pretty straight. Little bit of practice and you could easily get it dead straight again. That's pretty damn straight. So anyways, that's how you'd straighten out a fret again, especially if you overbent, which is possible to do. One thing I mentioned in the other videos is there's no gauging on this to tell you what radius you're at, which is kind of not a big deal, but kind of wish it would have something like that. It'd make it a little bit easier to get an approximation anyways. But otherwise, I mean, you just mess with it and, you know, you'll figure it out. But to make your main bend, you want to go across the bearings to make your bend in there. And then if you do have to straighten the wire because you went too much, you run it through going down this way, and you can straighten it right back out pretty well. So anyways, that's how you re-straighten frets with a fret bender. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll do the best I can to answer them. See ya.